in the car with the grips all wide, sipping on that French Maid, feeling the vibe. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Had the ginger beer line with Falernum next. Captain, shake it hard, man, what do you expect? Feathers laughing loud as the drink starts to glow. A sip of the French Maid and the flavor starts to flow. And every little drop the night comes alive. Tiki Thursday's here, yeah, we're feeling the drive. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Add the ginger beer, I'm alert on the next. Captain, shake it hard, man, what do you expect? Feathers laughing loud as the drink starts to glow. A sip of the French Maid and the flavor starts to flow. With every little drop, the night comes alive. Tiki Thursday's here, yeah, we're feeling the drive. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. As it takes a sip, says this one's the best. Captain Arresto, make you pass the test. The cucumber's crisp, but the mint is a dream. Every part of this drink is a summertime scene. The crowd's getting hard to the skyhorn beat, while we raise up the French Maid, cool and sweet. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Shake it, Captain with a twist of lime. Feathers on the dance floor, skanking in time. Cucumber wheel spin as music plays. French Maid cocktails take us all the way. With a sprig of mint, yeah, we're feeling fine. Captain Arresto's got us drinking in line. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Now hit that like and subscribe for the Captain's flair. Tiki Thursdays every week, you'll always find us there. Brewing with the Captain, cocktails made with pride, with a French Maid in hand, come along for the ride. So raise your glass high, let's toast to the night. With Captain Arresto, have the drinks just right. Oh, French Maid, you're fresh and cool, with a little bit of Brandy, we're breaking all the rules. Minty, zesty, yeah, we're feeling the shade, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Yeah, drinking on a Thursday, it's the French Maid. Tiki Thursdays, Captain Arresto's got